In this video, I will show you how to use TradingView for expert option. So in here, we already have in here our TradingView. You can see in here the graphs and you can also customize how it will look like. So for example, we have in here these options to increase investments, and in here we have the graph styles. You have the option to make it an area, a line, candles, or bars. So for the candles, you can choose time frames like 5 seconds, 30 seconds, even up to around minute and also months. So you can confirm on that and you can see those candles right around here. If you want to change your graph styles, you can click onto this icon again and then change in here the styles. You can also change the time frames based on that and it will change according to it. So for this one, just continue with this and just choose in here the trading view that you're actually the more comfortable with. We also have in here the trading view application that will actually allow you to choose in here how your chart, trade, and screen will look like. You just need to integrate it into your actual expert option in order to use it.